Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka school All Saint Diocesan High Secondary School Shillong kalayo ek result ka babham da usnem arja arpunrio hak bagidon hadu sangut ki khna ki bapoi hak top 20 hak result SSLC arjar arpunrio ka school kalapoi hak ne kerdan lingba Innocent Islam Chaudhry ibawan hak kerdan ka bahnyo dakbayo sanspa handu khnai ma Shri Yansh Joshi adhikari bawan hak kerdan ka khatar dakbayo sanspa handu phlai ma Ridhi Baidya Bawan Hakadan Bakhatsan Dak Bayo Sanspa Handru Poma Sani Dahun Ria Lariti Nongklau Bawan Hakadan Bakhatnyo Dak Bayo Sanspa Sanpu Pramak Bat Zainal Banshan S Marbanyang Bawan Hakadan Bakhatpra Dak Bayo Sanspa Sanpu Hanyo Ma Ka principal ka school kalapun pau ka jinkman baminta usnam ki khna kila lebha kalaong baki khna kila trishtom shisha namar baki don sangut ki bapoi ha top 20 bat Baroh ki be khon ki exam kila pass lut kalaong baka jingtrei lang Baroh khot kasawan ra yakani ka jingjob jong ka school
Apan ong bang ako apan ay ngut yuble man ka de ka jimpnya je ublehi ka bangi la mangikum ki brio namar dalading nem la bandi mo te mengaku mi principal kino hikai ku buna hikai ru ni le he la ka jong ka duty bang di ban le ban putin nanti ki khna mo hari ka bakut ka de ka jing ka khuj uble ula pli lat yangi ka ki khna jani bag ai lat ki bakin ye le ka exam ban poi sha ka ne ka thong ka bora ka buram tang ya ki le ka school ri komjo pa de try nong jani komjo mo te ngamut ban ngaku aban ong baki khna sha ki la trishitom namal bangi la ngiru kum ka school ni encourage mi ai ka support ki kat ka bagi .com te kum ka school hi ngiru ni semua komen shibon ba hadu sanmut ki khna ki la ban posh ka ni ka merit list nalor kata ru ka pass percentage ko long 100% pass percentage te ka long shisha ka jinkumen ka bakra ni ka school ko jamni but nga ai ngu ru shisha ki no hikai ki bala hikai ki ni ki khna na du ka class bigi daw na ki nursery kum tu ter hadu ki de posh ki class ki ba kham he tinga so ba ka jingtrei lang jong Baroh khoi ka don khti ha ka ne ka jingyo ka ne ka jingjob jong ka school ko jong ni manta challenges ti ki bon mo har rukam ki challenges the challenges ka way ka de academic challenges namar ka competition is very tough nowadays mo ti ki khna ru ki habban namar ki don school ki compete tang para maki te ni hab ni shi awareness ki ba kunu ban go ahead for board exams maka competition ka kham lang broader ki haban compete with thousands and thousands of students mo te at times ki long stressed out but ni judan ki counseling ni shi le ki khanang ba amdi bakin shu ban long so over stress when it comes to exam te ni ai ru ki ka schedule kumno bakin prepare for exam mo khanang ba ki la ban overcome any ki challenges number man tangam ong te ki khna gi bon ha merit list hari ni tik care du na du ki ba kham duna ka jing mo ka jing puli jong ki ka jing kot ka jong ki ban puli tingile kumno ban overcome kini academic challenges we should prepare kini ki study timetable ki kena bagi por shuti ki la ban follow ki la ban prepare ke for biki don haye mo ni self study time di kata di academic challenges and then other challenges la ke generation menta generation change technology di at times kilong ki kulmar ki kimla ban mo ban discipline la jong ban e ka phone number bu di khana mata kila don social media te buon ba ki spend time on social media and then ki spend time how to at times ki don ki issue ba ki face how to it create some kind of issues ba think she wants to school she don ki panic attack mo ba hapo apa friend circle hapo social media kita ada ki challenges ki ban ni kum ka school ni habban take care ni habban eye counseling ni ki man ka por kum no ban mo ban spend time tang khandia ta screen time ban kan concentrate ha studies chat kila don kita di kena class 10 ki ba ka board exam mo and then challenges kum ki students of class 10 ki dan hi lagi jong ki challenges peer challenges kum ki ong te but ki teachers ti kila ki don back every time with them kila ban lead kila ban guide ki ken whether it's like emotional challenges interaction the kidan students ki badan difficulty in interact with teachers ban clarify ki doubts through ni ju conduct kita ki coaching class ki students ki ba kham duna ki she one ki coaching class ki she interact with teachers one on one personally kan thing I feel kini ki steps ki bangi shem ki la rap shibon ki khna joni kan ki excel this year impact book kaya rap mo kan dia ki khna namar bangi don different variety of criteria of students kita ki below average kita with very high IQ level ne I feel di benang ban use kanya karu om de bafin depend totally on it hari bafinang ban utilize both nama ba ka government ka por ba ki issue ni kisi impact book kalau of di ban go through the textbook om de ban should depend totally on it but in some way it has helped kamta ni ki khana ki ba kham tlot ka jin pule khana ba can get through but overall ki khana ki bala ki ba kham dan ka IQ ka ba kham he ki nang hi ban pule beyond the CM impact book, beyond the textbook. Kari barabar he ni should encourage ba kin pule lah kasi impact book ru kini ban pule ka textbook ni bat kini ban pule bat ki notes ki teachers ki ai ki ke
kumi pun
ba ki wan bitang na CM impact kalau mixed mo na mana textbook ru ki dan ki questions ki bawan te ngimla ban ong ba totally kadi na CM impact book 38 kata tingkat dengan perlaban IFV mo ka total girls boys kita kambun ki can take the line mo shinrang ki di armut
jadi ke jumpa untuk pisah man
ya nan I know show you oblate mau la long di krishan na penting la yang bende kini ki Baroh nang ta dia kadang ko ka trick befin manage ka por dia nitip Baroh ni long thai ka social media long ni spend time amo haga phone ni tang ba dari hakini ki por exam khamta me haga por preparation but fidan kam shisha ken ban long dedicated long determined dia ka phone ka dia ka way na ki distractions ngamong pa ka ditang ki disadvantage long ki advantage lo ki dan namar fila ban fi browse mo ki dan ki balong important tang ba ka phone pat ka long ka distraction namar ba kanya ka hinder no ya ka self study period jong ki Khynnah ken ka distract no ya ka balong important ken ka bagi dia ban fokus ka dan ki book se te fila ban le research ki dan ki nong hikai ha school le fila ban ki libit na ki information na ki yobit first hand information hi mudah nong ke exam te ngala ban ong kum tu ngapuli got pragantai tambah kam de continuous part instead nga shimpor argantai kum tu hadian shim ken break kum tu 15 minutes time and then resume biang ki study straight free hadian kum tu janmi ru arganta kum tu fi pya te kala long full 8 hours ken feel apa ban I full concentration dari fishing breaks ru happen
hatu kini ki akan ta pi puli bi tagi koi subject ne pi ka hunu pi manage pada koi subject
ho nishna sho de routine let sure iwe subject but pendap sho Baroh hadin bisa move on but to the next subject
nadu kijingnya kuya play takku paling gizi ti ya
kijing kijang lai takku kiwe te kilong katai management period te hadin pat hakane ka por long bangal nam ta ni metric exams ken te ngalan put a hold shisha ken ngalan babakal up shisha lagi nama ngatep kani ka palong serious pa kadi ka first most important exam hakijing em ka jongi te kumta hi school ru kadang ki slack off ki time te let's say kata kala labin penduna no ki marks haki for selection ni te ki pre selection ni ru tambah kata pat na combine mak ken na bakal up na lagi pat kita
din jung ne jing success
Shan bore ningkong du uday na mga duay na leche mani na pan ka jingkershan dengan laban pulikot kamtam ru kabor bang laban pulikot ta hadian pat ngadan ruban ai mu kinong hikay ladan rekat lambat na ki support principal ma'am ki pun ki na family members jo ki ai moral support mo Baroh kinong hikay ki encourage bet kita
tinang ni
science stream
pinal jing temu yu
ngadan jingmu banyak puli medical
idea from mountain school
okay can you tell us how do you success this how do you plan your reading like what time how many time you spend
I guess I do not have a specific amount of studying hours. I just studied whenever I felt like I was not disciplined at first, but then when the exams came near, I grew very tired and stressed, and then I started studying 8 or 7 hours like that.
Nowadays, because it's very
At first, I was very distracted by my mobile phones, and I kept checking the mobile, even if for just to search things up. And then I used to get distracted. But what is the major thing required to tackle this problem? It's just that your will should be nice. Your will should be very strong to overcome this problem. Dear teachers and my dear mother, obviously.
how many days you
Firstly, I used to study 2-3 hours a day, during school days. And when I got the studying session, I did 6 hours, like that, 6-7.
6-7 hours you study. So you divide your timing in each subject, or how do you do?
Like I do not study like that. Like for English, I used to study only a little bit because like I find it easy. For social science, I took more time because I did not like it at first. Like that.
For in future,
I just plan to stay consistent, through all my future encounters.
din ke jingon jung pi habakat plane kumnu pi punduk por haban kre kot habidi bakni ke juk entar khantam bede ke jing punan kami ki mobile phone
kata ke kadan hi kapor ki ada bu kapor ban TV ban kre kakot ban le phone kapor kya kapor bang ta ada bu kre kakot ente ar la jenta ente sini ban bayo pun ente ban ta
ke jing per ka plan jung pi nang ni sakmat pada
nga tengah ngamut ban lit la ka stream te po sida tenis college
ke jing tmu jung pi ni sen satu pi dom kalu ka jing ni puli medical ni kinu gi benta pada
ada yang masih terang hai ke medical ni insyaallah
hatin ke jung wan pi sak
Kami tengok kawan semua ai jenuh boleh membuat dan dekatnya ada orang sedang kena exam ni hari ni pa bikin kai ruti balik dalam latihan yang ada
jala jogi ki duna bah ki ba puli ki ba yakun ni ki exam competitive exam la ka dai MCS ha ka IES de pimdon try kum kata ka jingmu ba pin kre ban ban yakun ni kini
ya kata te 4 6 tahun tak sampai ke sana dia ngebut